GoPro photo.
Flash.
Did it?
Oh, it's going like that now.
GoPro off.
So this is us. We're getting ready to take off. These guys are loading up. There's Mike in the front, Steve in the back. All right, good to go. This is going up Apple Hill.
Okay, so I messed up. I forgot to start recording at the beginning of this trail. But we are heading up the Lover's Leap Trail right now. A little slow going. The problem is the ground is really loose right now, so it's hard to get enough traction. Oh, just like I just did. Let's see my best route. Dug in pretty deep there. I don't know if I'm gonna get out. Can't breathe. Let that clear a second so I can see where I'm going. That should be good enough. That's pretty sketch, but a lot of fun too. When you get over it, it's kind of a rush. It's like, yeah, do that.
I wish I would have had it on earlier. Boy, that other stuff was really, really steep and really rocky. I got gassed out really fast. Wow, this is great. Pretty steep, off to the left. Wow. It don't look very technical, but that is a lot of clutch slipping and a lot of balance and a whole lot of everything else. It may not seem like it. Really. Now it's flattened out again. Still technical. You got to watch your step and make sure you're doing your levers correctly. because you could shoot off the side of this hill pretty easy and you would have a hard time recovering your bike.
So if I fall down this hill here, it's not going to be fun. See anything at the moment, so I'm going to let the dust settle down. There's my trail. Alright, I think I see something. Whoa! Almost fell. There's some chunky stuff on this trail, for dang sure. Let's see, I'm going to do a different route than he's doing, because it's obviously hard where he's at. And he was up against one of these tree roots. These tree roots are really challenging, because your tire kind of spins on them, and they'll throw you down on the ground. Let's see, where do I want to go? I wish I had my 20-year-old brain. Ah, shoot. Because it works faster, so I can think through all this stuff quicker. Like right where I was just there, I kind of made a wrong turn I shouldn't have. See, I'm steep enough now that if I do it wrong, I'm going to flip over backwards. Up right there, I messed up. Big root, the little root. Let me try the little one. So I get between them. Oh, nice and cool right here. This feels good because I'm hot right now. It's way hot. This section, and there was a video somebody showed me off the beaten trail or something like that. Okay, going through the jungle section. Got some big boulders. Oh yeah. It's a little challenging. Whoa. Big old angles there. And now I gotta jump up that pipe, and then it looks like I'm right. Maybe. Sweet, I'm alive. Nice. That was a little hard there, but a lot of this trail has been a little bit hard, so. But yeah, pretty cool. digging it up here. I'm glad we did this. What a thing to be able to do with your brothers.
Cue the Rocky music. Dun 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 dun. Bum bum.
Oh man, I've been wanting to do this a good chunk of my life. This is one of those moments. Oh, so excited. Like literally since I was a kid, every time I pass this rock face, I've wanted to come up here. Another bucket list item checked off. I'll show you guys in a minute what I'm talking about. It's mind-blowing.
Steve knows the way. If it was this trail or the other one.
I'm gonna go out here. Oh, I'm so in love with this.
Well, here's the good thing, Steve. I've still got my camera on for a while now. So we got to the top instead of cutting off. Oh, here's the top. Fade.
Yeah, so before I turn my camera off, this goes down 1,000 feet maybe more. This is crazy. I'm hoping it's not too windy for my drone, but I'm gonna give it a shot. We'll see what happens. So we're at the top of Lover's Leap. And when you turn around, that's the mountain. And it's a sheer cliff right over there. Absolutely sheer cliff. I'm gonna get the drone off the side here. Give you a picture. I'm hoping it's not too windy. It's a little windy. All right.
but
hikers.
Like, bring him back.
And we're parked down there. We got our motorcycles.
So much in pain.
It's so far down. Right there. At least 1,000 feet down.
We took some of the process of getting over there.
So this is the drop of Strawberry. We just rode up a trail that was badass. We had a great time. We're getting ready to head down. We just ran across a bunch of people that hiked up to the top of this hill. And it was very cool. GoPro, turn off. All right, we're about to head back down Lover's Leap Trail.